This 2024 Grand Design Imagine AIM 16BL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 19 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, spare tire kit, microwave, stove top burner, awning, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, air conditioning, TV, water heater, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front living area, Murphy bed, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine AIM 16BL is 3,976 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.